Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, June 11th, and today for reading, you're going to have a grammar review. So you need an electronic device with sound, there's a brain pop video on contractions, and there's a Google slide. So today you're going to practice your spelling, contractions, adjectives, pronouns, all those fun grammar things in a worksheet on a Google slide today. Today for writing, you're going to do another Mad Lib. Hope you guys had fun with that one yesterday. So you need an electronic device with sound. There is a Mad Libs video. And the Google slide today is called Lazy Days. So you're going to make another fun story, right? Be creative, fill in the blanks. So this is just something to have fun with while you're practicing your parts of speech. So mom or dad, like yesterday, they could tell you, okay, I need a noun. Okay, I need a proper noun. I need an adjective. Or you could fill it in on your own, but just wait to read the story until the very end. And you should have a good laugh with that. Foundations, there's a story time. So you're going to practice your fluency and your comprehension. The story is called Ross Gets Help. It's a Google Doc. So remember, you're going to do your story time and then you're going to answer some comprehension questions. So it's good to read the story more than once. It really helps you to comprehend the story so much better, make that picture in your mind, use those reading strategies. And always be sure to use complete sentences. Never start a sentence with because. For math, your skill is addition and subtraction. So you need an electronic device with sound. There's a worksheet, IXL, and remember to look for key words in each problem to help you figure out if you're adding or subtracting. I know you have to kind of think back to those signs that I had posted in my room, that big plus sign, the big subtraction sign, and it had all of those key words in there, right? If you're subtracting, how many are left? What's the difference, right? Those are some key words. Addition, how many in all? How many all together? Think about those words when you're trying to do these math skills. And today for social studies, you're going to finish your Father's Day card. Okay, you could print it out, add pictures, handwrite it. It's up to you how you would like to do it. Let's hop into the classroom. Your checklist is at the top. And if we click on math, you have a little bit of IXL practice. And there is another PDF there. So you can print this out and write on it. You can do it through DocHub. This is an optional submission. So these are similar to the ones that you've been doing all week. Okay, so there's some number stories. For writing, so here's your Lazy Days Mad Lib. And again, it's going to look small, so you want to go to the plus sign, make it bigger, and don't read the story yet. So first fill in. So a synonym for happy. So remember, synonym means the same. What's another word that means happy? Like I was overjoyed. And you're going to, the text box is here, and you're going to type it in like you did yesterday. So an adjective, something you do at home, something you do at home. So you're going to fill everything in first, then go back and read it, and you're going to have a really silly story. So I hope you enjoy that one. For reading, okay, your brain pop is here. So you can watch that. And this is similar to some of the other grammar review that you did. Change the color of the word that's misspelled. bolding the adjectives. So when you click in this text box, then you're going to see here the big B. You're going to highlight the word, click the B to make it bold. So remember, your adjectives are your describing words. So the brown dog chased the little kitten up the tall tree. You want the describing words, words that describe what kind, how many. They could be color words. Okay, so you're thinking dog. Well, what kind of dog is it? If you look for your nouns, adjectives describe nouns. So a dog is a noun, a kitten is a noun, a tree is a noun. So look back, what is describing? What type of dog is it? What type of kitten is it? What type of tree is it? Think about that. Replace the underlined words with a pronoun. So here's your pronouns: he, she, we, me, you, it, us, they. All right, so you could go right back in, oh, actually right here, you're going to type your answer here. So you can delete that text, put your answer. And underline the contraction for does not, which is the correct spelling for does not. And then you're going to X out and press the turn in button. And foundations, your final story time. So you can read the story or you can listen to it here. And then your Google Doc, just like you've been doing. You're going to answer some of the questions and be sure to restate. All right, so what is the setting? The setting of the story takes place. The problem of the story is. The characters in the story are. Okay, start with capital letters and with punctuation. Make sure to put part of that question in your answer and then press the turn in button when you're done. And then social studies. I know we went over this yesterday, so you're going to finish your Father's Day. And remember, Father's Day is not this weekend, it's the following weekend. So just make sure you hide it, put it under your bed, put it somewhere. Don't give it to Dad until Father's Day. So you could color it, fancy it up, and put it aside until Father's Day. Okay, and those are all your assignments for today. I'm going to come back to my friends and take some questions because you all are working so hard.